Are mosquitoes taking over your property and keeping you from being able to enjoy your time outside? I've got 4 things you can do at your house to reduce or even eliminate all the mosquitoes from your property. Number one is eliminate where and how they're breeding. So mosquitoes will breed in standing water, which I think everybody knows, but they need about 10 days of standing water in order to complete that life cycle. So look for kids' toys and other areas like wheelbarrows or old tires that water might be collecting. Make sure you dump those out. Or if it's something that you can't dump out, you're going to have to use a product like mosquito dunks. So mosquito dunks are a biological control for mosquitoes, so it's not like an insecticide in the classic sense that's going to hurt a lot of different insects. These actually only target the mosquito larvae, and they're safe for your pets. They're safe for other aquatic life. Really cool product, but in areas that you can't dump the water out, you can take one of these like in this drain basin here, drop it in there, and that's going to last for about a month, killing the mosquito larvae in there. And don't forget about strange or unusual places that water might collect, such as clogged gutters or hollows in trees or rainwater barrels thingies that you catch the rainwater with. Number two that you can do is to use repellent type products. So these are going to be really safe to use products because they're just basically going to be essential oils that are in granular form or liquid form. So it's going to be things like citronella oil, geranium oil, cedar oil, and things like that, or really cool blends. And what these do is when you broadcast them over your property, it's just going to kind of push them off of your property and away from your home. Number three is to use bait stations. So these products such as Spartan Protect or Insecto are going to be things that you can put out in your yard. You put water in them and it will attract them in. When those mosquitoes then go into these tubes, they will then get poisoned and end up dying. And it just really helps to lower the population overall. And they're really safe to use because everything's contained inside of here and they don't seem to really hurt other types of insects. They primarily just target mosquitoes. And lastly, you can use insecticide products such as this one's called Mosquito Beater. And like I said, this is actually a pesticide that you would hook onto your water hose and go spray. And this will kill any mosquitoes or for that matter, any other bugs that it comes in contact with. And so because of that, this is the one that you need to have the most caution with because it is a pesticide. It's going to kill things like bees and butterflies and caterpillars. So if you've got an area that's just a lawn area that's infested with mosquitoes, this may be something that you want to look into. If you're trying to protect your local pollinators, then don't use this one. So take these steps, do one of them, do two of them, do 3 or 4 of them if you can, and you will take your life back from those pesky mosquitoes.